Corn is a C4 policy crop, introduced to China in early 16th century. Currently, China's planting area is 660 million mu, ranking first among all crops. Among the three major staple foods, has highest edible yield per meal, is China's #1 grain variety. Varieties classified by kernel shape into small kernel flint type, large kernel dent type, semi-dent type. By demand, classified into common corn, silage corn, waxy corn, sweet corn, popcorn, baby corn, etc. Corn weeds compete with corn for nutrients, water, light, and other growth resources, affecting corn yield and quality, affecting corn kernel weight and plumpness, even causing corn kernel breakage and mold. Meanwhile, many weeds are intermediate hosts for corn pests and diseases, like corn borer and aphids, transmission media, and overwintering sites. Weeds cause greatest damage at seedling stage, can cause corn plants to be stunted, thin stalks and yellow leaves, etc. Severely affecting corn yield reduction can reach about 35%. According to National Weed Census results, cornfield weeds have 22 families, 38 genera, 43 species. Main weeds harming cornfields include crabgrass, barnyard grass, foxtail, goosegrass, weedroot pigweed, purslane, tropical spiderwort, thistle, field bindweed, deerflower, etc. Southwest mountainous and hilly corn areas have numerous dominant weed species, including South Asian tropical weeds like spreading panicum, leaf flower, Indian mallow, and cool-loving weeds like fleabane, tropical spiderworts. Southern Sichuan and Chongqing areas have severe alligator weed damage. Difficult to control weeds include bahia grass, Bermuda grass, billy goat weed, oxeye daisy, alligator weed, nutgrass, heterotypic sedge, etc. Agricultural control measures. 1. Field management. Timely remove field edges and roadside weeds, preventing weeds from invading farmland. Inter-row intercropping of soybeans, peanuts, and other crops, reducing accompanying weed occurrence. Strengthen water and fertilizer management, improving corn's competitiveness against weeds. 2. Deep plowing and burial. After corn harvest, timely deep plow, bury weed seeds that have entered fields deep in soil can reduce their emergence. Before sowing, comprehensively cultivate and harrow soil surface, sun dry 1 to 2 days after grass shoots die, then sow, can effectively prevent weed occurrence. 3. Reasonable, dense planting. Restrict field thistle and other weed occurrence. Scientific and reasonable planting, relatively denser, will utilize corn's own growth to inhibit weed growth. 4. Corn-soybean strip intercropping composite planting. 2023 Central Document. #1 proposed. Huanghai High, Northwest, Southwest regions promote corn-soybean strip intercropping composite planting. After 2 years of promotion, weed control effect is significant. 5. Application of herbicide-tolerant transgenic varieties. Through introducing herbicide-tolerant genes into corn, improve corn stress resistance and yield. T25, transgenic variety developed by Bayer, first approved in the United States in 1995, has glufosinate ammonium tolerance trait. The 23rd of August 2024, Zhejiang Winca Chemical Group's herbicide registered control targets, including transgenic varieties, glyphosate and glufosinate, ammonium-tolerant cornfield weeds. Chemical weeding measures. Post-sown pre-emergence soil closure treatment. Best timing is at weed 2 to 4 leaf stage. Herbicide selection. Acetochlor, acetochlor-atrazine, metolachlor-atrazine, and other herbicides for spray control. Corn post-emergence weed foliar spray weeding. Best timing is when corn is at 3 to 5 leaf stage. Herbicide selection can use nicosulfuron, mesotrione, atrazine, topramzone, and their mixtures for foliar spray treatment. If field is dominated by barnyard grass, lamb squatters, smartweed, amaranth, velvet leaf, black nightshade, etc., can select mesotrione atrazine combination. When foxtail, wild millet, crabgrass, and other weed density is high, can select nicosulfuron plus mesotrione plus atrazine combination. When difficult to control broadleaf weeds dominate field, can add 2,4-D isoctyl ester when spraying, MCPA, fluroxypyr, etc., to improve control effectiveness against hedge bindweed, dayflower, ixaris, field thistle, etc. Chemical weeding precautions. Herbicides containing nicosulfuron component cannot be used in sweet corn, waxy corn, and popcorn fields. Cannot be mixed with organophosphate pesticides.